Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physics. To truly grasp the subject, focus on understanding the core concepts first, rather than just memorizing formulas. Practice solving a variety of problems consistently, as this is crucial for building your analytical skills. Regularly review your lecture notes and textbook chapters to reinforce learning. Don't hesitate to use office hours or study groups for clarification and deeper insight. Active learning is key to mastering physics. Work through example problems step by step, ensuring you understand each stage. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a peer. This helps solidify your understanding. Create concept maps to visualize how different topics connect. Proactively identify and address any areas where you feel less confident to strengthen your knowledge base. When tackling physics problems, a structured approach is vital. Begin by reading the problem carefully to identify all given information and what you need to find. Drawing a clear diagram helps visualize the physical situation. Select the most appropriate formulas based on the problem type. Always check your units and the magnitude of your answer to ensure it's reasonable and makes physical sense. Preparing for physics exams requires strategic effort. Complete practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the real test environment. Thoroughly review all previous homework and quiz solutions to understand common errors. Summarize key formulas and principles on a concise cheat sheet for quick reference. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest before the examination day to perform at your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.